Welcome to our channel. Today, we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to apply for Social Security disability benefits in 2025. Step 1. Confirm your eligibility. Make sure you meet the medical and financial requirements for either SSDI or SSI. Your condition must prevent you from working and be expected to last at least 12 months. Step 2. Gather your documents. Prepare your medical records, test results, treatment history, medication list, work history, identification documents, and any paperwork that proves your limitations. Step 3. Choose how to apply. In 2025, you can apply online at ssa.gov, by phone, or by making an appointment at your local Social Security office. Online is usually the fastest and most convenient. Step 4. Complete the application. Provide your personal information, detailed medical history, work background, and daily limitations. Be accurate and thorough. Consistency with your medical records is key. Step 5. Submit supporting evidence. Upload or provide all medical documentation you have. The SSA will also contact your healthcare providers, but sending your own copies can reduce delays. Step 6. Respond to any SSA requests. You may be asked for more documents or to attend a medical exam. Respond quickly to keep your claim moving. Step 7. Track your application. Use your My Social Security account to follow your application status and ensure no steps are missed. Step 8. Review your decision. If approved, you'll receive details about your benefits. If denied, you can appeal within 60 days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.